So in previous video we were talking about the main composition of cell membrane. So in this video we'll talk about that and define. So let's start. First one is protein. So protein can be divided on the basis of ease of extraction. So basically it can be extracted very easily, or it takes time, or it will break the membrane. We'll talk about that. So yeah, so it is divided into two. First one is integral, or we can say intrinsic. So these are the proteins which are not easily detachable and will rupture the membrane, cell membrane, if removed. So like if we will remove it ज़बरदस्ती अगर उसको remove करेंगे तो it will rupture the membrane and will break the cell membrane particles. So it can be also classified in two types: partially buried or fully buried. Partially buried is like buried halfly, or it can be easily extracted, but fully buried is buried fully in the cell membrane, and it acts as a tunnel or channel for the passage of water or polar molecules to pass easily. So second type of protein based on the ease of extraction is peripheral, or we can call it extrinsic. So these proteins can be easily extracted without damaging the membrane. So now we'll talk about the next composition of cell membrane, which is carbohydrates. So oligosaccharides, which is sugar of glycolipids and glycoproteins, is present on the surface of plasma membrane and is involved in the cell to cell recognition. Basically it helps to recognize cell, and here we are talking about RBC cell. So if any other type of, like if any enemy cell enters the body, so it produces antibodies which helps in protecting the cell and our body. So the next composition is of lipids. So it has quasi-fluid nature. So we'll write about that quasi-fluid nature of lipids enables lateral movement of proteins and this ability of movement is measured as fluidity. It is also important for cell growth, cell division, secretion, and formation of intercellular junctions. So now we'll talk about the next topic, that is transport through cell membrane. So it is divided into two types. First one is bulk transport, and second one is specific transport. So bulk transport is divided into two types, endocytosis and exocytosis. And endocytosis is also divided into two types. First one is pinocytosis and second one is phagocytosis. So we'll talk about these topics like bulk transport, specific transport, endocytosis, exocytosis, pinocytosis and phagocytosis in our next video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.